Now I'll take the variator out in this position. First thing you do is you take out this long bolt. It's a 3/4 inch headed bolt through that hole. The hole on the right, which is covered, is the adjuster. You take it out of there. The bolt went through. It's hard to see, the sun is reflecting on my phone. It's hard to, yeah, right there, here's a variator. Now through here, you have the cotter pin, which goes through here. Right, your cotter pin goes through there, and this will slide out and it'll come out. So yeah, this bolt goes through there, through the side, and it comes down, and this cotter pin, and then it's swinging, right, on this here, the clutch, yeah, the clutch system here. So that's all we got to do with a variator. Yep. All right. Okay.